Do you want to make money online in 2025 without investing a single dollar? The internet offers more opportunities than ever, and today I'll show you 5 of the best ways to start earning right now. These methods require no upfront investment, just your time, effort, and a smart strategy. If you're willing to be consistent and put in the work, you can turn these methods into a reliable source of income, and in some cases, even a full-time business. One of the easiest ways to start making money is through freelancing. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to offer skills like writing, graphic design, video editing, or programming. Even if you're a beginner, you can start with simple gigs such as proofreading, basic logo creation, or virtual assistants. As you gain experience and positive reviews, you can increase your rates and attract higher-paying clients. Many freelancers start small, but eventually scale to earning thousands of dollars per month. The best part? You can work from anywhere, setting your own schedule and choosing projects that interest you. Another powerful method is print on demand. This business lets you sell custom-designed merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases without handling inventory or shipping. Platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, and Printify handle everything. You simply upload your designs, set your prices, and earn commissions on each sale. If you're creative or can use design tools like Canva, this is a great way to generate passive income. Even if you don't have design skills, you can use free tools or hire affordable designers to create artwork for you. Once uploaded, your designs can sell for years, making you money without ongoing effort. Affiliate marketing is another excellent option. You can earn commissions by promoting other people's products through platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. You don't need a website to start. Many people use social media, YouTube, or blogs. The key is choosing products that align with your interests so your recommendations feel natural and trustworthy. By creating valuable content and recommending useful products, you can build an audience that trusts your opinions, leading to higher conversion rates and more earnings over time. If you enjoy teaching, online tutoring is a great way to earn. Websites like Preply, Cambly, and TutorMe allow you to share your knowledge in subjects like languages, math, or personal development. You don't need a teaching degree, just expertise in your subject. Many start by teaching English or tutoring students in subjects they excel at. Online tutoring offers flexible hours, and in some cases, you can earn $20 or more per hour. With a reliable internet connection and a willingness to help others, you can turn your knowledge into income. Content creation is one of the most profitable opportunities in 2025. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram let you build an audience and monetize in multiple ways, including ad revenue, sponsorships, and brand deals. You don't need expensive equipment, just a phone and creativity. Whether you make faceless videos, educational content, or entertaining clips, there's potential to grow and earn. Many creators start as a side hustle, but eventually turn their channels into a full-time career. The key is staying consistent, understanding your audience, and creating engaging content. Making money online without investment is more possible than ever. Whether you choose freelancing, print-on-demand, affiliate marketing, tutoring, or content creation, the most important step is to take action. Many hesitate to start, but the sooner you begin, the faster you'll see results. Stay committed, keep improving, and explore opportunities until you find the best fit. The internet has endless possibilities. Start today and take control of your financial future.